In today's video, we will be looking at a story about a young man who wants to buy a new shirt. All right, let's get started with our story for today. In today's story, we are going to learn about a young man who buys a brand new shirt. Let's start at the beginning of the story. In this picture, we see a young man. He's looking at his t-shirt and he is having a thought. He is thinking, I want a new shirt, a new yellow shirt. He's thinking, I want a new yellow shirt. Here we see the young man with his friend. His friend is a woman. She has long hair pulled into a ponytail. She has long hair pulled into a ponytail. The young man is saying, hey, let's go buy a new shirt, a new yellow shirt. Let's go. Here we see the young man and his friend walk to a market where you can buy many different things. Let's see, what do they sell at this market? It looks like they sell some shorts. They sell socks for putting on your feet. They sell t-shirts with short sleeves, not long sleeves, with short sleeves. And it looks like they sell some pots and vases for putting flowers in. Some pots and vases. The young man and the young woman are looking at all of the items, all of the things in the market. We see here there are two shop owners. Two shop owners, or you can say shopkeepers. It looks like they are shopping in the market at night because we can see the moon and the stars in the sky. Here, the young man is looking, he's looking at a rack with many different t-shirts on it. Let's count and see how many shirts there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 shirts on this rack. The shopkeeper is showing him, she is pointing to a blue t-shirt. She's pointing to a blue t-shirt. The young man is holding the blue t-shirt. He's holding the blue t-shirt and he is smiling. I think that he likes the blue t-shirt. Next, The young man is going to try on the t-shirt. He's putting the t-shirt over his head and he's putting his arms through the sleeves of the t-shirt. He's trying on the blue t-shirt to see if he will like it. Now it's showing that he is pulling down the t-shirt. Oh, so he's taking a look at himself. He's looking at himself in the mirror that the shopkeeper is holding. She's holding the mirror for him to look at. The young man is looking at himself in the mirror, but look at his face. Look at his face. His mouth is frowning. He is not smiling. His mouth is frowning. I don't think he likes the way the blue t-shirt looks on him. I don't think he likes the way the blue t-shirt looks on him. So now he is going to take off the blue t-shirt. He does not want to buy the blue t-shirt. But look, his friend with the long hair and the ponytail, his friend has found a yellow colored t-shirt. His friend has found him a yellow t-shirt and she is showing him, look, I found a yellow t-shirt. The young man is thinking, So the young man tries on the yellow t-shirt. He is wearing the yellow shirt and he is looking with his eyes at himself in the mirror. The shopkeeper is holding a mirror, a red mirror, and the young man is looking at himself. He is smiling. I think he likes this t-shirt. The young man is talking to his friend and they are looking at the yellow t-shirt and thinking, wow, I look really good in this yellow t-shirt. The young man has taken off the yellow t-shirt. He is now wearing his old white t-shirt and he is showing the shirt to the shopkeeper. He is pointing with his finger. He is pointing with his finger at the shirt. He might be saying, I want to buy this shirt. The shopkeeper is taking the yellow t-shirt and she is putting it into a bag for the young man, for her customer. A customer is someone who buys something from you. He is her customer. So she is putting the shirt into a bag. The young man has some money in his hand. He has some green money, some bills. And he is handing the money to the shopkeeper. He is giving her some money. He is paying for the shirt. We can see now the young man and his friend are leaving the market with his purchase. And that is the end. That is the end of our story for today. Our story about a young man who buys a new yellow shirt. A new yellow shirt. That's all for today. Remember, if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.